Camera got slime. Hey guys, today we're doing something super cool. You may have never seen this before, or you maybe have. Oh yeah, we're making giant slime bubbles. All right, go. Super stretchy bubbles that you can get inside. Go. And this is a 360 video, so make sure you take your finger and move around your screen so that you can see all over, because you never know what crazy thing might be going on in the background. What is that thing? What is that? Are you ready?
Yeah!
We're gonna be using clear glue. We're gonna use Stay Flow as our activator. We've got a little bit of white glue there. We're gonna throw some bubble solution in. Look at all this clear glue we've got.
Just like this.
All right, guys, you wanna start putting in the glue?
Just like this.
Start dumping that glue in.
I'm doing my little one.
No, don't put the guinea pig in. Don't put the guinea pig in. That's not a guinea pig, that's actually a small dog.
No, that's a guinea pig. Adorably cute guinea pig. Eating a carrot.
I hope you're looking around, guys. Something weird's up in here.
Pizza coming! Betty something weird. A unicorn clown is heading away. Ooh, that's weird. It's all sitting on top of that clear. Yes, sir. Stay flow. We're soft.
You may see. Oh, there it is. Okay. He took it. He took it. Hey! Get out of here! Get out of here! Oh no! Oh my goodness!
Put it in!
Oh, the handles! Put the bubble wands in. Hey guys, bonus points if you can find the secret word. There's a secret word in here somewhere. And put that in your comments. Put it in the slow way. That's the long way to put it in. Get the wands out of there. Get the wands out. Hey, get out of here. Do you put some color in there? Let's put some color in. Let's put some of this. Let's put some color shift in. Yes, you can put that in. Wait till Riley puts hers in. Oh, it touched me because I had to reach in there because y'all wasn't reaching in there. Ew, what is this thing? What is this thing? Oh, jeez.
It was the
Put the color in. Put the color in. Hey guys, be sure to comment down below what crazy stuff is going on, because that is weird. Go ahead, put the color in.
I can't open it!
I think you lost your spoon. Okay, dump it in. Oh, Cameron, I think it's out. There it goes. Ooh, okay. Stir it up. Come on, Riley, stir it up. Come on. That's all right. I'll take that. Go ahead and stir it up.
Where's my... Ah, my thing fell in the...
No. Stir. You better reach in there. It's getting messier and messier. No, you gotta stir it. Get your spoon. Reach in there and get your spoon.
No! You don't even... disgusting in there. Oh, no.
Your spoon's not even in there.
Where'd it go? It was right here. Ew, please.
Stir. We gotta stir.
Oh, no.
Ooh, I can tell it's gonna make good bubble. Wait.
Oh,
Go. Okay, Riley, you want to dump us some activator in?
Dump.
Oh.
Can you pull that off?
Yes, I pulled that off for you.
Slime assistant.
Are you Roz? Are you Roz?
That's creepy.
Okay, give us a little bit. Okay.
Always watch. I think this is good.
Ooh, now we're getting there.
Mike Wazowski. There's nothing to stop her. She keeps lifting her.
Oh, see, I got you like you get daddy. Hey, get out of here. Hey, get out of here. Get out of here, you monkey. Lucia Kiel said, hashtag early squad, I love your videos and I have a challenge from Poland for you and your daughters. Say, here we go, Konstantinopolitan Sizikasajiniskeskipa. P.S. Can I get a shout out, please? Yeah, you just got your shout out, and I think I failed your challenge, but thanks, guys. Okay, so I think our slime is finally
Look at the difference.
starting to come together. Starting to come together now. Finish mixing it. Finish mixing it. We've almost got it. We've almost got it. Bonk. You okay? Watch out for low-lying lights. Low-hanging lights.
Low-lying.
Low-lying lights. Low-hanging lights. Ooh, this is gonna make some huge slime bubbles. Go. Check that out. These are gonna be big.
Until they pop.
Until they pop. The giant slime bubbles. Here we come.
Painful.
Hey, and if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to hit that subscribe button and hit the notifications bell so that you never miss a new video from Will It Slime. All right, guys, so we just got a little bit of our slime here, and woo, we're about to do this. All right, come on, Nancy. Oh, we're not quite big enough. We're not quite big enough. Slow. Wait.
Oh, you sure?
Wait.
Oh,
go. She was smart. She was smart.
Good job. Ew, no.
Here we go. I got my ass in. Slow.
That's a big one.
Slow. All right, go.
Oh no.
Okay, do it all.
You
live. Go. One. Ready, set. Okay, go. What is that? What is that thing? What is that? It only has 2 legs. What is this thing? What is it? Step on it! Step on it! What is this thing? What is it? Where is it? It has no arms. So what do you think of these slime bubbles?
You can't go in there, but. Oh, good.
You
Okay,
ready, Madison?
Madison, you're gonna have to get in here sometime.
Over this one. Now, go.
Woo! Good job. Oh, yeah. You
camera got slimed.
Oh wow, look at you. Let me get a picture of you, hold on.
Let's see that back. Let's see that back.
Turn around.
Ooh, shower time.
Not for me.